In this video we're going to have a little look at creating blogs and keeping blogs in Mahara. Blogs or web blogs are something people are using more and more nowadays. Some people might just use them as a diary, but their main strength is actually keeping a record of you actually developing, growing, learning, reflecting on your learning. So they're quite powerful tools to use. And in Mahara it makes it quite easy for you to both use these and then later on to share them with other people if you want to. The first thing you want to do is in My Portfolio, go into My Blog. In here you'll see that automatically you'll be created with your main blog and it will be based on your name. So I've got Carol Rycraft's blog here, and we can actually use that blog as our main blog if we want to. So I've got this one going and I've got the blog, so I can click on New Post. Give it a title, type it spelled properly, put the text in here. Obviously you'd put something a lot more deep and meaningful in there. Now you'll actually see in here that you've got lots of different things you can use. You can put smiley faces if you like, you can insert pictures, you can select your text and make it a different font family if you really want to. You could change the font size to make it a bit more interesting. You can add bulleted lists, numbered lists, bold, strike through, the sorts of things you would do normally in Word. One of the other really useful things in here is that you could click on the insert, edit and link and actually put hyperlinks into your work as well. So a blog won't just be a collection of text, it'll be a collection of lots of different images that you've got. So let's think, I could put in a picture. So for example, I could select the word Medway, click on the insert and edit link, and I can paste in the college web page, put it in a new window perhaps, pop that, click on the insert button, and now in here when it actually is saved I'll have a hyperlink to there. So lots of playing around you could do. You can insert all sorts of bits and bobs in there, give it a tag so it's easy to search for later on. You could add a file to this if you wanted to. You could set it as draft at first so that other people don't get to see it. You can allow comments or not, and I'm going to save my post. Okay, so here's my blog now. I'm talking about my day. Today I went to Medway, and if you see here I've actually got a hyperlink and I can click onto that. It may be that you've been asked to create a blog for a particular course you're on, a particular topic you're actually studying. In that case you probably wouldn't want to add all of that to your general blog, so you have an option of actually having more than one blog. If you see, we're in here now, and at the bottom it says you have one blog. If you'd like to start a second one, enable multiple blogs in your account settings. So click on the link to account settings, which you'll see is also up the top here as well if you want to. And here we have the options about how your account's set up. Lots of things about how you control your friends and things like that. So there's lots of bits and bobs in here. But if you see here, down here, enable multiple blogs, and I'm going to click on that and save. Now if I go to my portfolio, my blogs, I've got an option now of creating a new blog. I'll click on that, give it a title, so Unit 21. something like that. And now I'm creating a new blog that will allow me to just have this visible to people on my course that might need to see it. And there you go. Remember, these aren't just about a diary, they're about showing other people how well you're developing and reflecting on what you're learning. So think about how you post things into them, but they're a really powerful tool.